Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the grille on your BMW 1 Series F20. First, let's get ready. You'll need a few basic tools, including a trim removal tool and a Torx T20 screwdriver. Make sure your car is safely parked on a flat surface with the engine off. It's a good idea to use some masking tape around the grille area to protect your paint from any accidental scratches during the process. This simple preparation will make the entire job much smoother. Now, let's get that old grille out. Begin by opening your hood and finding the two Torx T20 screws at the top of the grille. Carefully remove these screws. Once they are out, gently pull the top of the grille outwards to release the clips. You'll need to work your way around the entire perimeter, carefully unlatching all the clips. There are typically about 8 to 10 clips holding it in place. Take your time to avoid damaging the surrounding trim or the grille itself. With the old grille removed, installing the new one is straightforward. First, carefully align your brand new grille with the openings in the bumper. Start by pushing the bottom clips into their respective slots until you hear them click securely into place. Then, work your way around the sides and top, applying firm, even pressure to ensure all the clips are fully engaged. Finally, reinsert and tighten the two Torx T20 screws at the top to secure everything firmly. It should feel very solid. You're almost done. Before you close the hood, take a moment to perform a few final checks. Gently push on the new grille to confirm that all the clips are securely fastened and that it sits perfectly flush with the bumper. Make sure the two top Torx screws are snug, but avoid over-tightening them. Now, carefully remove any masking tape you used to protect the paint. Step back and enjoy the refreshed, sportier look of your BMW 1 Series F20. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.